less. And your police friend them try no set. Me and my friend them right us up on the banks already zone. As 8 o'clock, come we go on our bed.
Move! Don't talk to me, girl, but don't talk to me, sister, but I know what you want. Me know what you want from my sister. Move!
What you want from me?
You want pum pum from my sister.
Well, this woman did him real bad. Just got divorced.
However, you know some grown water authority though, and it's like them close up. So I did make a call and somebody tell me to pay the bill online. But the thing is, I deal with it. But the thing what puzzle me, I don't know if them get it. So I don't know if I can make a link for me and find out.
Something, alright.
Yeah, some boy love chat about how much they love girl with clat title.
You're not gonna hate me.
You see me not promise no boy no title if he can't swim in drown. Put on a life jacket or drown.
What is his name, Jesus? The name of Jesus is strong, almighty power, righteous, running quick and they are saved. Proverbs 18 verse 8, worship Jesus.
Yeah, what kind of youth you want, dog?
I want a boy first and then Ronaldo, my friend.
Joe, what you say?
Me don't want a girl still, you know. With the name of Batti still, you know.
Why?
Because when a man fuck her, he might come back and say, I just fuck Batti last night, you know.
Sir, I'm asking you to remove from here. Remove from here, sir. You cannot park here. This is the airport. No, you don't understand what the yellow marking on the curb means? You need to remove, sir. I don't care about that. You can't be here. Oh, wow, I miss those days. Nobody here. I can't even charge somebody for parking elsewhere.
That's all, folks.